you're not selling that thing, right? You're selling the results. What is the other person on the other side gaining?
Some of the limiting beliefs there are the pricing, right? The price point. And sometimes we, you know, we heard this from Brooke Evans. We sell how we buy, right? So at this point, do we have to ask ourselves, okay, what are we investing in? Like, what is the point there that we can make that connection? But at the same time, what you said is like, how much are we valuing their time? So how much is the CEO valuing his time to try to figure these out, to either go out, find somebody, build the system? Like, this not only takes money, but it does take time, right? And we always refer to Greg Cohen, one of our great, amazing partners and clients here with us. He's the CMO of an 80-person company who is trying to figure out the content game for 80 hours a month. Ton of hours, right? So we're like, when we told him, hey, Greg, we can help you with this awesome system, it just takes you 4 hours. We do the rest, right? And he's like, how much is that? We tell him X, right? And he's like, done. Because he valued his time so much more, and then he could allocate those resources to help his company to grow the rest of it, right? So I think you nailed it right there, in the heart, in the nail, everything. Top. Yeah. We could just like golden ball their time right here.
For those listening, I think it is important to understand that you're not selling the futures of, you're not selling that thing, right? You're selling the results. What is the other person on the other side gaining? Put yourself in their shoes and ask yourself, what would I like to gain back if I invest in this product, right? Is it time with my family, or is it, I am saving and I don't have to deal with X business now because I'm dealing with one person. And I think that is very, very important. And I'm curious because a lot of people might fall for the race of cheap, right? They're like, no, I'm going to lower my prices because my competitors are pricing their thing at X. So if I undercut them, I'm going to win, right? But that race is the worst one that you could be racing, right? We know that the best way to probably increase the quality of your customers is by charging more, right? You're going to be happier by charging more because you're going to be making more money, and you're probably going to be getting better clients at the same time.